Have you ever wondered if the mysteries of Oak Island could be the work of extraterrestrial beings? Picture this: a small island off the coast of Nova Scotia, Canada, known as Oak Island, home to the enigmatic Money Pit. For over 2 centuries, this intricate structure has been at the heart of countless theories about hidden treasures, with supposed culprits ranging from pirates to European nobility, even the Knights Templar. But what if we told you there's another theory, one that seems straight out of a science fiction novel? That's right. Some believe that the creators of the Money Pit might not be of this world. They suggest that perhaps extraterrestrial beings are responsible for the island's mysteries, or that the treasures themselves are of alien origin. Intriguing, isn't it? Now let's delve into the scientific realm and explore the alien theory from an astronomical perspective. How probable is it that life exists beyond our planet? Well, to answer this, let's delve into the Drake equation, a formula devised by astronomer Frank Drake in the early 1960s. It's designed to estimate the number of active, communicative extraterrestrial civilizations in our Milky Way galaxy. The equation takes into account several factors such as the rate of the star formation, the fraction of those stars with planetary systems, and the number of planets that could potentially support life as we know it. While the Drake equation isn't perfect, and some of its variables remain speculative, it does suggest that there's a reasonable probability that intelligent life exists somewhere in the universe. This is a concept that has only been reinforced by the discovery of exoplanets, or planets outside our solar system. In recent years, space missions like Kepler and TESS have identified thousands of these exoplanets. A small fraction of them reside in the habitable zone of their stars, where conditions might be just right for life to exist. These discoveries have led to a surge of optimism in the search for extraterrestrial life. However, it's important to note that finding a planet in the habitable zone doesn't guarantee the presence of life. It simply means the conditions could be suitable for life as we understand it. The leap from microbial life to intelligent, technologically advanced civilizations is a significant one, and we have only one example: Earth. So, the Drake equation and the discovery of potentially habitable exoplanets make the existence of extraterrestrial life plausible, but does this mean they have visited Earth? While the idea is tantalizing and much debated, it remains unproven. The vast distances between stars, the inhospitable nature of space, and the lack of concrete evidence all pose major challenges to this theory. While the existence of extraterrestrial life is plausible, the question remains: have they visited Earth? As we continue to explore the cosmos, we hope to find more pieces to this vast and intriguing puzzle. Unidentified flying objects, or UFOs, often stir thoughts of alien visitations. They strike a chord of intrigue and curiosity within us, igniting a spark that leads to a wildfire of theories and speculations. Yet, the scientific community, especially astronomers, often approach these phenomena with a healthy dose of skepticism. Astronomers and institutions like the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, or SETI, work tirelessly to compile and analyze data on UFO sightings. Their goal is not to disprove the existence of extraterrestrial life, but to assess their likely origins. Each UFO sighting is meticulously studied, with astronomers distinguishing between man-made objects, natural phenomena, and truly unexplained sightings. The process is rigorous and leaves little room for speculation. For every sighting, they examine the object's trajectory, speed, luminosity, and other observable characteristics. They cross-check these with known objects or phenomena such as aircraft, weather balloons, celestial bodies, or even atmospheric effects. Through this rigorous process, many UFOs are often identified and explained, yet there are a handful of sightings that remain unexplained, resisting all attempts at identification. These are the instances that capture public imagination, fueling theories of alien spacecraft and advanced extraterrestrial civilizations. While these unexplained cases are fascinating, astronomers caution against jumping to conclusions. In the words of the late Carl Sagan, extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. This principle is deeply rooted in scientific methodology and serves as a guiding beacon for astronomers studying UFOs. Just because a sighting is unexplained does not automatically make it alien in origin. There could be a multitude of explanations, some of which we may not yet understand due to our limited knowledge and technological capabilities. For astronomers, the quest for extraterrestrial life is not about validating UFO sightings as alien spacecraft. Instead, it's about uncovering the mysteries of the universe, one observation at a time, guided by curiosity, skepticism, and a relentless pursuit of truth. While UFOs are intriguing, they are far from being definitive proof of alien visitations. Could the structures and artifacts on Oak Island be aligned to celestial bodies or events? And this question has been a point of fascination for many enthusiasts and theorists who believe in extraterrestrial involvement in the Oak Island mystery. Let's delve into it. The idea of astronomical alignments isn't new. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Mayans, aligned their monumental structures like pyramids, temples, and stone circles with various celestial bodies and events. They used these alignments for various purposes, such as tracking the seasons or religious rituals. The theorists argue that similar principles might have been used in the design of the structures and placement of artifacts on Oak Island, but what does the scientific community have to say about this? Astronomers, with their understanding of celestial mechanics and historical astronomical events, can provide an objective appraisal of these claims. They can compare the supposed alignments on Oak Island with known celestial events or configurations to see if there's any correlation. However, this is where we hit a roadblock. To date, no conclusive astronomical correlations with Oak Island's mysteries have been found. The alignments suggested by theorists often rely on broad patterns or generic celestial phenomena, rather than precise, unique astronomical events. For an alignment to be considered significant, it would need to correspond with a specific and identifiable celestial event or feature. Furthermore, it's crucial to remember that correlation does not imply causation. Even if a potential alignment were to be found, it would not definitively prove that extraterrestrial beings were involved. It could just as likely be a coincidence or the result of human design inspired by observations of the night sky. In conclusion, while the idea of astronomical alignments on Oak Island is intriguing, it remains a speculative theory. The scientific community, particularly astronomers, have yet to find concrete evidence supporting this claim. To date, no conclusive astronomical correlations with Oak Island's mysteries have been found. What about anomalous signals detected by our radio telescopes? Could they be from extraterrestrial beings? This question has sparked countless debates among scientists and enthusiasts alike. Over the years, our radio telescopes, like those at the Arecibo Observatory, have picked up several unusual signals that have led to intense speculation. One of the most famous of these is the WOW signal. Detected in 1977, it was a strong, narrow-band radio signal of unknown origin. It lasted for 72 seconds and has never been detected again. Its name comes from the astonished "wow" scribbled by the astronomer who first noticed it on the printout. Similarly, the fast radio bursts, or FRBs, have puzzled astronomers for years. These are intense bursts of radio emission that last for just a few milliseconds and come from far beyond our Milky Way galaxy. The source and cause of these FRBs remain unknown, leading to theories about advanced alien civilizations. Then there are the peritons, mysterious signals that were initially thought to be from outer space, but were later discovered to be coming from a nearby microwave oven. But what do these anomalous signals have to do with Oak Island's mystery? Proponents of the alien theory suggest that these signals could be attempts by extraterrestrial beings to communicate with us, possibly providing clues about their influence on Earth, including places like Oak Island. However, it's crucial to remember that these signals, while fascinating, remain unexplained. They could equally be the result of natural cosmic phenomena we don't fully understand yet. The WOW signal, for instance, could have been the result of a passing comet, while FRBs might be the result of neutron stars colliding. While these signals are intriguing, they don't necessarily prove alien involvement in Oak Island's mystery. The search for answers continues, and the allure of Oak Island's enigmatic past remains as potent as ever. So, is there any merit to the alien theory according to astronomers? Let's summarize what we've learned. The Drake equation gives us an idea of the possible number of intelligent civilizations in our galaxy, and the discovery of numerous exoplanets in the habitable zone certainly increases the odds of life existing elsewhere. However, a healthy dose of skepticism is applied to UFO sightings, with most remaining unexplained rather than confirmed as alien encounters. As for Oak Island, theories about astronomical alignments and artifacts abound, but none have been conclusively linked to precise celestial phenomena. Anomalous radio signals spark curiosity, but they aren't substantial evidence of extraterrestrial involvement in the island's mysteries. While the idea of aliens being involved with Oak Island is fascinating, the scientific community awaits more concrete evidence. Until then, the mystery continues.